are now watching another weekend vlog. My name is nygialauren. If you are new here, I am so glad you are here. If you aren't new here, then thank you guys for coming back and hanging with your girl. You know I truly appreciate it. It is 6:22. I'm gonna be in the gym in about 8 minutes. Got my water. I put my shoes on. Got my gym bag. And today is Upper Body Day. My days are so off this week because of MLK Day, and I took that day to do content. So I didn't work out. I typically do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday rest, Thursday, Friday. So I really wanted to stay consistent on my schedule that I have right now because we have goals. So I'm not trying to get into the same habits I had last year when it comes to working out, because I would have just not gone, and I would not be up at 6:30 right now going to the gym. Let's go ahead and do our Oxy Shred. I may not have explained Oxy Shred well on my last vlog, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain it again. It's a pre-workout for all my girlies who are interested in working out. I think that this is a really good pre-workout. It doesn't make me jittery, and the purpose of it is to boost your metabolism to create an increased level of fat cell breakdown, which is hyperlipolysis. And yeah, so it makes me sweat really good, and it also gives me energy. And you're only supposed to drink about 10 ounces 10 minutes before your workout. Okay, let me stop yapping. Bye y'all, I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, I am back from the gym and I am currently making my oatmeal. Not gonna lie, I gotta take y'all to the gym today because I was taking my time. I'm just eating some maple oatmeal. My Quaker. I haven't ate oatmeal in a long time because I'll be having my periods where I'm like into oatmeal, but then I don't want it no more. If y'all know what I mean, like, you know, you got your phases where you really into something. I haven't been into oatmeal in a long time, but it's really good protein, and I don't have time to make breakfast for real. Something quick, and I'm trying to get back into oatmeal. You know what they say about oats in the booty. Yeah, it do something. So I went to the mailbox. I got some mail that I need to open, but I need to go ahead and clock in because your girl is running behind. It's 8:32. Let's get to that desk. I'm gonna take a shower on my break. I did my big one today. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna record my workouts more, but I have to get a little bit more comfortable because I'm still building my 2025 gym routine, and I think I got it down pat, but I need to refine it. And I also don't want to just like be telling y'all anything when it's not really all together.
I know what you did. Yeah, I know. And I wanna talk about it. And I know you don't. I've been holding cards for so long. And I don't know where to start now. Tell me where you hide. Where do you go? Tell me, is she nice? Does she know I know? Tell me why you lied. Tell me why. I don't know what you are. Now. What you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down like me. Right when I let my guard down, you play around. And no, not this time, we can't hash it out. It's too late for me to stay. I wish all the things you say was what your behavior displayed. You know, I could have done without lies. And no, don't want to love.
Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm literally not going anywhere today. I'm always in Athleisure, y'all, literally. I'm wearing these flowy leggings from Tarte on Amazon, and I forgot the brand name for this jacket. This is also from Amazon. This is what I'm wearing. I have to wash my hair, but I think I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. My hair looks crazy. It looks a mess. It looks a hot mess.
And you better not skip the gym today. You sitting at home sad because that man did you wrong. I bet you he's still in the gym. I bet you whoever you talking to right now at the gym, you gonna let them get one up on you. They laughing at you. They said your back big. Absolutely not, friend. We cannot have that. Drop the Oreos. Meet me at the gym. Let's go. Nobody pull up a lead. For my dummy, you'll see how I come. You'll tip me right on the edge. This is young and I've been here to shoot about some money all under my bed.
2018 came a million. I made it cool, niggas thought it'd be dead. Hot getting cold, my body cold. I took a little edge. I hit her one time till I pull up again. Making the little pussy stretch. Give me some hit in the back of the bend, dip in the back of her neck. I wanna put mirror 10 on the tent. I wanna see the reflection. I'm the best dressed at the Met. Look up at her dress, I know how to dress. Turn the drip to a flex. Bitch, look at the check, I poke out my chest. I'm treating a little boy like my pets. I let the bitch use me for sex. I know they don't want another catch. Got one-on-one ice on the jet. One-on-one bitch at 18. One-on-one never again. One-on-one. Don't get the cake in the butter. I count it like hustle the money all in. I'm in a town in a drop top coupe in the motor in the truck you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W due for a win. Ain't no one missing it up. Ain't no one missing it in. Ain't no one messing with kid. One-on-one bitch. Come to the spot, I got one-on-one pieces, then all of them cost me a grip. Come to the yo, it's a pretty hoe, ready to go on up over the lips. Good service, I'm ready to tip. You know when I'm hip, I don't got a trip. You know I ain't no little bit of shrimp. We switching positions, we switching locations. I'm taking this bitch in the gym. She said she don't wanna say Gunna no more. She about to start calling me him. I'm him. Don't need you making it hot. The stakes is high, the prices is high. I'm about to fly to Dubai. Some boo, HB on the tie. I with the one-on-one ride. Ain't from the bill let her slide. I come to get mine. Pop out on these bill like surprise. One-on-one bitch at 18. One-on-one never again. Don't get the cake in the butter. I count it like hustle the money all in. I'm in a town in a drop top coupe in the motor in the truck you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W due for a win.
Hey y'all, so we're back from running errands and I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. I was supposed to pick up 2 things, but I ended up getting multiple things. I had already picked these up during the week, but I just left them in the car because I didn't have any hands for them. And I wasn't going back downstairs because it was cold, but now we got them in the house. My fave. Picked up a new broom because we needed it. We also needed a new toaster, so I got this. Picked up our favorite wine. This is the Lolly wine. It's really good. It gets the job done. I got beef broth because I plan to make beef stroganoff. Either that or another meal that I want to make. I have all the ingredients. I just needed this. And then sour cream. I got some garlic and butter rice because I just wanted to try it. Then I got some cheddar broccoli rice. In one of my previous vlogs, I wanted to make the cheddar. I wanted to make that one pot recipe that I showed you guys, but I just didn't have the rice. Finally make it now. I'm debating on whether I should make the beef stroganoff or the one pot chicken and broccoli rice thingy majig. So we'll see. And then I just got some more rice because we need some more rice to re-up on. And then I got some notebooks for something that I'm working on. I got some gel highlighters and some pens. What had happened was I got the wrap strips. And I decided to get this value pack size or whatever because I figured this would last me a couple months. And then I'm also going to be getting my hair braided. So this is definitely going to last me.
This house didn't look like this till you come in here now.
Eric did clean the house, y'all. Come into a clean house. That put me in a great mood, okay? Anyways. Oh, that video I sent you? We should go there tonight.
You know, I said we should go 10 different places.
I only said one place, either Dewan's or Tiki Thai, but I heard Tiki Thai is really good. Let me look up Tiki Thai's menu because they said it was good and it's lit, so I feel like we should go there. It's a fusion of traditional Thai cuisine and vibrant Tiki vibe. We should go to Tiki Thai. Oh, yes. So what happened was I did get a relaxer kit. But that's because I remember that I am going to be doing my relaxer next weekend. So I needed this. Now, did I only come in there for one thing? Yes. But I needed this. I swear I needed it. I needed it. So we're prepared for next week. Right? So that means technically I didn't get anything I didn't need. Okay, bye y'all because I need to clean up my mess before Eric get on me.
such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? Now when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. Baby, they can't do me, they can't. You and me are too good. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could not be good. That's why we should have never said never.
That's what I call you. You don't call me sissy girl. I call you sissy girl. Don't call my phone. Don't call my phone just so you can talk to Eric, girl. She said she wants to talk to you. She said she wants to talk to you. Yeah.
Hi, Winter.
Hi, Sum.
Hi, sissy girl. Bye.
I know. Tell me why you lied. Tell me why. I don't know what you are. I don't know what you are now. What you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down. Right when I let my guard down, you play around. And no, not this time, we can't hash it out. It's too late for me to stay. I wish.
Hey babes, it's Monday. I did not end off the vlog, so I'm gonna end off the vlog today. I just came back from the gym. If you guys want to see my gym fit, I'll show you guys because I thought it was very cute. And I'm also curating my gym fits this week. You know, just making sure I look a little bit more put together when I go to the gym. It just makes me feel so much better when I'm working out. And yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I plan to make a reel of my gym OOTDs for this week because I like I said, I curated them. This is what I'm wearing. My shoes are my A6. Hopefully y'all can see me. Can y'all see me? I think so. Let me come down a little bit. Okay. Okay, so let's start at the bottom. My shoes are my A6, and then I have these like leg warmers that I created. Around Christmas time, I have bought some long, like knee-high socks, and I just never wore them, but I cut them recently into leg warmers. I think they're super cute. I love like adding on little accessories for the gym, especially during the winter because you're able to layer. So I just think this is really cute. And then my leggings are Camo Fitness. I love these leggings a lot. Ooh, my food died. I'm starving, y'all. And also, they kind of remind me of Honor Active, and I've been really wanting a pair of Honor Active leggings. Just their apparel. I've been really wanting their apparel in general. So I feel like this is what Honor Active feels like, but Amazon version. And I also really love that there's no seams, so. And then this workout jacket is just from Amazon as well. I had on the green one earlier in this vlog, so you should have seen the QR code for that one, but it'll also be linked down below. And then this bra, I want to say, I don't remember what this bra was, where this bra is from. Oh, IUGA. It's currently $7.49. I tried to record myself cooking yesterday, but my camera went dead, y'all. Okay, y'all, so yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Next week, won't necessarily be like a weekend vlog. I mean, it's gonna be shot during the weekend, but sometimes you'll see me switch up things because I don't want it to get too repetitive. I honestly do some of the same things every weekend because I try to stay like, I try to have like a little schedule. Although on the weekends, you know, it could be a little bit of a wild card sometimes because, you know, it's the weekend, so you want to have fun. But I try to stay on a routine for the most part if I'm not doing anything. So working out, recording a video, things of that nature. However, this weekend we're going to be doing some maintenance because my man birthday coming up. Okay, my man birthday coming up, aka my birthday, so we got to get ready. But I'm just playing. But we have to get ready for his birthday, and yeah, I don't want to say too much about it, but I'm trying to like do my big one with it. Just do a little something special for him. I'm gonna make it really special for him. I got some things coming in, but I'm not gonna speak too much about it because sometimes he be lurking and he be acting like he didn't be watching the vlogs, but he do. He be watching the vlogs, so I'm not gonna say too much, but I have a little surprise for him going also. Not next weekend's vlog, but the weekend after is definitely gonna be a really fun vlog. But yeah, I'll see you guys this upcoming weekend. Let me know if you guys are loving the weekend vlog so far. Let me know what you guys want to see from me, what you like, what you don't like about the vlogs. Do you like that it's really short, or do you like longer vlogs? I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I can't really do long vlogs because it takes a lot to edit, and I'm not a full-time content creator yet. I don't have the capacity to edit long vlogs and then also do short form content. It's possible, you know, there's nothing that I can't do, but it's a lot. So just let me know what you guys like. So with that being said, I will see you in the next upload. Bye.